your weather chat of the day, talking about what's going on in the oceans. Did you know we've got a whole array of buoys in the Pacific Ocean that provide really valuable information for us? We call this the TAO, the Tropical Atmosphere Ocean Buoy Array. And it's got some major improvements coming to it.
Yeah, major improvements, which will also provide major improvements to forecasting as well, a better taste in what is yet to come in terms of ENSO, the El Nino Southern Oscillation, whether we are in El Nino or La Nina. This will help see the trends and the changes in the surface water temperature, but also at significant deep depths of the water, which is very important for the development of hurricanes and things in that nature and on marine life. And again, seeing major updates, also going to be seeing the data being sent a lot sooner. It used to be once an hour. Now I believe it's 15 minutes or so.
10 minutes,
10
yeah.
minutes, yeah.
Yeah, so what's the basics here? There's 55 buoys anchored to the seafloor right along the equator here. Why? Because this is where the northeast and the southeast trade winds meet. So there's a lot of movement here. This is also, as Sean mentioned, where tropical cyclones can form for portions of the western Pacific basin. But we're more so looking at the climate patterns here that could potentially improve with our understanding of what's happening in the ocean. I mean, keep in mind, this thing has only been there since the 1990s, 1994. It's about 30 years old, has not had any sort of improvement since. So this is ongoing. It's happening right now and is expected to last to 2027. But you'll notice not only are we seeing some improvements up top with the weather station, but also down beneath. We're adding about 5 to 7 measurement observations going down more than 6,000 meters here. And this is going to help us and help our climate models figure out how the ocean is turning. Right.
And one included the added variable that they're going to be factoring in is the solar radiation, the amount of sunlight that these areas are receiving, in addition to the weather instruments that they have provided on top that, of course, record temperature and wind speeds and things like that. But it also grabs data of the ocean temperature at different levels within the ocean, different depths. And again, that has implications on wildlife and on the early stages of a developing El Nino or La Nina, and also how much energy, if a tropical cyclone does form, can really tap into.
Right, because you think about it, what defines El Nino, La Nina? It's the sea surface temperatures, the temperatures in the first few layers of the ocean. So if we've got more buoys out there in more strategic places and we're taking more measurements a little deeper, we're going to get a better idea of when these things are coming, when these strong El Ninos are coming, the intensity of a La Nina and stuff like that. So I thought it was really interesting. Like I said, this is going to be several years in the making that they're going to revamp these buoys, but this is what it looks like here. The weather station on top, then they've got that string of thermometers going down from the bottom of it down to the seafloor, which is anchored there so those things don't move. But very important tool that we got in our tool belt when it comes to predicting weather and tracking climate patterns. You can read more about it on our website, KXAN.com.